Hello fellow floor artists and martial artists alike, NI3 here, coming at you with another rope dart video for you today. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the body harness just like this. Now without further ado, let's begin.
So as you'll see here, I'm using the very end of the rope dart to begin with this. I am making the loop and I'm bringing it in closer so that you can see. So I'm putting my fingers through the loop, grabbing the access rope and pulling it through the loop while making a new loop and repeating the same process. So I'm feeding the access rope through each new loop that I make, creating the links that you'll see. Real easy to do. And then you just keep looping it through over and over again until you reach close to the end. And then when you get to the last link, you're going to want to make sure you have enough to where you can put the loop that goes around your wrist so it's even with the last link loop that you would have made. So here it is, what the links look like here. And then from there, you can wear it around your waist like a belt, as you'll see here. Or you can wear it over your shoulder underneath your armpit like it is here.
So then pretty much you'll end up like this, and then once you're ready to use it, you can pretty much start off like you would with a chain whip. So doing chain whip techniques. Until you're ready to release it. And that, friends, is how you do a body harness, where you can wear it either around your